So today, obviously by the title, I will be dyeing my hair back to black. This was a very hard decision to make considering I just bleached my hair 3 months ago. You can find the video of me bleaching my hair on my Substack, The Curl Diaries, which I'll be linking down below if you guys were interested in watching that. Based on all of the videos and update videos I've made on my blonde hair, you probably could guess why I'm coming to this conclusion. Sorry for not updating y'all on my hair so far on YouTube. I was a little bit scared to show my blonde hair on here, and to be honest, I wanted to see if I was even going to keep it before I made any type of video, but obviously I'm going back to black, so there's nothing to make, I guess. And I wanted to show the process of me dyeing my hair back to black, and I will be doing this at home. Obviously, I'm not going to a salon for this, because if you watched my bleaching video on my Substack, you'll probably see why I don't want to go back to a salon for this. I had went out to Sally's, I looked around in the store for a little bit. I had asked the cashier what she thinks I should buy. She said that she recommends the ion dye and the ammonia free if I'm not going to lighten my hair anymore. So I bought the ammonia free one and the normal ion hair dye, and I really didn't want to have to go back either, so I really pondered on my choices. I ended up getting the Inspired by Nature Ion Natural Black. I got 2 of the boxes. This is the ammonia free permanent cream hair color. It apparently doesn't smell as bad as the normal ion color, which is why she recommended it to me if my nose is sensitive, which I appreciated. I also ended up getting the Color Brilliance Ion Permanent Cream Color in Jet Black. I got 2 boxes of these as well. I got the 10 volume ion developer, the sensitive scalp version. I got 2 of these. I got 2 mixing bowls just in case I needed more product. It has like a comb inside of it. And then I got this brush. And lastly, the cashier recommended me to get some gloves, so I got the 10 pack of these black vinyl gloves in large. So I'm definitely going to be using that instead of this little brush. This brush is mainly just for mixing. But before I do any of that, I really desperately need to detangle my hair before I put anything in it. So I will be detangling with a little bit of water and just a little bit of product, and then I'm going to dry my hair fully before I put the product in my hair. So I finished detangling my hair. Now I'm going to be using the normal hair dye and taking equal parts hair dye and developer. I used 2 boxes, but if I were you guys, I would use 3. And I just mixed that very well. And I had split my hair into 6 sections so that it was easier to go through. I tried to do it as thoroughly as I could. If I had more hair dye, I probably would have been able to get all of the little parts that I had missed. But I just left it in for about 25 minutes and then I rinsed out. This is my hair. I probably missed a couple places, especially in between my hair. Like right there, there's like a little bit lighter of a piece. I'm glad there's not super big chunks so far. I don't know if there's any blonde pieces. Is there? Oh, shit. And that's on the top too. Damn, that sucks. How did I know? This is why they go in tiny sections for this stuff. My hair feels really soft. I use the Olaplex number 8 mask on my hair for 10 minutes like it said, but my hair looks pretty much like how it used to. Pretty much literally exactly the same. My hair pattern did not loosen up really any with the blonde or the brown, whatever that was. I call that a win. Honestly, I can't believe my hair's back to black right now. I thought I would be keeping the blonde in for at least until next year, but considering everything going on, this was the best decision in my opinion. So I'm gonna be putting my hair into multiple twists just for my style today. But let's get a good look of my hair while it's out still. I really do prefer my hair being pitch black than having my natural hair color, if I'm being honest. I've always really liked pitch black hair. I've been dyeing it pitch black for about 2 years. And then when I went blonde, I liked the blonde as well. I would have kept it if I wasn't an influencer, you know what I mean? Like if content creation wasn't my job, I probably would have kept the blonde, but for my career's sake, I had to go back to black. But it was fun seeing how the blonde was for a little bit, and it was kind of fun documenting that journey. So I definitely don't regret anything. I think this is just a part of my natural hair journey for the past 9 years. I'm gonna be using just some water and the Curl Days cream with cocoa oil. I don't know what that says. I'm just gonna be using this Curl Days Ultra Moisture Cream to put my hair into mini twists, because tomorrow I will be doing my afro for the first time in months and months and months. I'm not gonna put too much product because I don't want it getting weighed down at all. So just a little bit of product, a bit of water, and putting it in twist. And I'm just gonna show you the result at the end. So my hair is finally back to black, and of course you see I have my afro for the first time in a couple of months. I am really happy that I did go back to black. I've missed it a lot actually, especially being this dark. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope this helped you guys out if you plan on dyeing your hair, or if you just want to see my journey of me turning my blonde to black again. Don't forget to check out my Substack, link in the bio, if you want to see my bleaching hair journey and what I've been doing the past 3 months that I haven't been on YouTube. I also post blog posts like this and like this. So if you're interested in topics like that, I highly recommend that you go subscribe or just check out the blog post and decide if you want to subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will be posting a lot more consistently now that I'm a little bit more comfortable with my hair again. But yeah, that's it.